Made it to Santorini. It's promised to be an adventure here. I will be here for only 2 days, today and tomorrow. Yeah, very excited, very curious what's going to happen in these 2 days. So I need to be rushing a little bit since the sunset is already happening and I still have like 7 minutes left to walk. So let's see if I can take some amazing photos at the sunset. What do we have here? Let's check this out.
The only thing that could be bad is to take it too seriously. In other words, if you take the fundamental idea that the whole universe, all its forms, is a form of biological game. It's a dancing thing, dancing.
Holy, that's wild. This was way better than I was expecting this view to be. So I made it to sunset here in Santorini and it's beautiful. Sunset is popping off right now. I got the time lapse going. A little thing I found during solo travel is a piece of loneliness. And I think every human experiences loneliness at times. And it's good to remind yourself that loneliness isn't a bad thing. In your loneliest moments, most times, is when people have the most breakthroughs in their life. Why is that? Because in loneliness, you're isolated and you're only alone with your own thoughts. There's no distractions from other people's perceptions of your life, and it's just you with your thoughts. So if you're scared of loneliness, think about that for a second. That the times when you're alone is actually a quality time for you to reflect, think, and not have to worry about other people's thoughts. I had the most amazing dinner I've had in, I don't know how long, but that was really good. I had a fresh sea bream, sea bream I think. It's like a fresh fish. The guy cut it open in front of my eyes. It was absolutely beautiful to see. The head scared me out a little. I forgot to take a video because I was enjoying it. Beautiful sunset as well at dinner. And now I'm on my way back to the hotel. It's a little 14-minute walk. And then I'll be back at the hotel for some sweet dreams, because tomorrow I'm going to explore this beautiful island of Santorini. Very keen for that. It's the most random thing ever. Just a big dog right in front of the jewelry store. That's true. Okay. Yeah, that's weird. Grand rising from the hotel. I just had breakfast and now I'm getting ready to head out for the day. Let me show you the view real quick from my hotel room. It's pretty sweet. There we go. That's the view. Let me know what you think down in the comments of this view. I think it's epic. So I'm first going to take a bus to Santorini, and then in the evening I'm going to Iwar. I think it's called Iwar. The most famous place on Santorini. Let's go! Well, looking at this weather, it's promised to be a beautiful day. Sun's out, it's nice and windy. I hope you can hear me. But yeah, I'm super excited for this day. I'm taking a bus right now to go to Santorini. It's on the bottom part of Santorini. And later this evening, I'm going to the most famous spot for sunset. Gonna be an awesome day. Some people just lighten up your day when you see them, when you're near them, even when you see them online. It's just a little light in the world that can make your day instantly better. And you could be this person. How? Just smile more. That's step one. Smile more, be friendlier, and have good intentions in mind. Alright, Red Beach is where I'm going. Let's go, a little walk, half a kilometer. This already looks lovely. There we go. Just look at that. Oh, wonderful. red beach. As you can see, it's pretty red here. What a day. Here in Santorini. So I just finished flying the drone and met this drone pilot right here who was flying his drone. Drone shots were epic. At least I hope they're epic.
The only thing that could be bad is to take it too seriously. In other words, if you take the fundamental idea that the whole universe, all its forms, is a form of biological game, it's a dancing, big dancing, dancing, big dancing, big dancing, big dancing, dancing, big dancing, big dancing. Dancing, big dancing, big dancing, big dancing, big dancing.
So I just came from the red beach. It was stunning, and then I ran into the shop, which I also saw on the way here. It was a beautiful little shop that you just saw, and I've wanted to get some new jewelry, some new rings, and I finally found the perfect two rings. One is an atlas, and one is this one, which looks very cool on my thumb, which is a beautiful contrast. The guy advised me on it, and he handcrafted it himself. It's silver. I'm just very happy. He's been doing it since he was 7 years old. Also had a funny interaction with him. I asked him if he was like online, got a website or something, or on Instagram, and he said like, no, I'm not online or anything, I don't know how that works. Just face to face is best for him, and if he were to go online, it would be more stress, which I totally understand. It's very funny. He's just here, a bunch of tourists come by, and I mean, look at this. It's handcrafted, it's amazing. I'm super grateful. I left the party early. I left the beautiful viewpoints because I thought it was not gonna be better. Got the shots, and I don't like being there with that much people. But now it started to pop off, and I see this. I made a choice. I got ice cream. You throw one of those oh wells out there. Doesn't matter. Up. It's time to leave. It's time for breakfast, and then get on the bus and go to the airport and go back to the Netherlands. It's been a while since I've been in the Netherlands, like almost 2 months, I think. So it's gonna be fun to be back for a little.
Yeah. Just a little pick me up when I'm down. Yeah, when I'm down. It's a good day for a good day. Sending big love in a big way. Yeah, it's a good day for a motherfucking good day. Yeah. Okay, a little bit of Tina, margarita, in a beach chair with my feet up. Yeah, it's a good day for a motherfucking good day. Yeah. Just a little bit of liquor, that's all I need. Little bit of you time when I'm free. There's a little bit of you and I when the sun goes down tonight. What would you do if we had to go? Got what we want, but we still want more.